Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I hope that you guys are all staying safe and healthy out there. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways on this channel. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of March, it is the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video, talks about how to enter that one. I also have many other giveaways going on as well. I have a St. Patrick's Day giveaway, an 800 subscriber giveaway. All the information is in the description box down below. I've already started setting stuff aside for our 900 subscriber giveaway and our huge one that we've got Jeffree Star sold out palette and for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So join us, we're a good group here. So today we are talking TestTube by NewBeauty. It ships out every other month for $29.95 and I have found some amazing gems in here and I can't wait to share with you the March test tube. So let's dive in. So it comes with a pamphlet here. It says fresh start. Welcome to the March test tube. It's spring and there's no better time to recharge, refresh, and reboot. And we're excited to share an amazing product lineup that lets you do just that. For starters, there are some serious glow inducers inside. And then talks a little about what's in here. So let's not get into it and we'll just dive into what's in here. So most of the products do come in a tube-like box, hence the items test tube. I think this value of everything that's in here is over $234. You know, it's 10 times as much of what you spent on just the box itself. So a couple of products that would not fit in the tube are just in the box itself. So let's dive into those first. Here's something I've never heard of. So these are from VAGISIL. They're bath bombs. I didn't know that they did bath bombs. So it's Sensitive Scents Peach Blossom. And then this one is White Jasmine. Basically, they're bee-friendly bath bombs. They do retail for $3.99 each, and it's for women who enjoy nothing more than a relax, soak, and hot bath. These bath bombs are specifically formulated for sensitivity and pH balance in mind to create the ultimate bathing experience. How to use: you fill your bathtub with warm water, remove the plastic wrap, drop in the bath bomb, let it fizz, enjoy ultimate relaxation. The editor's feedback is it's a relaxing bonus to a long day, and it's nice to know it doesn't have any irritating ingredients. Some of the key ingredients are free from parabens and MIT preservatives. These bath bombs are made with VAGISIL's skin-friendly scents and formulated with naturally derived ingredients like shea butter and coconut oil to calm, moisturize, and soothe. The expert insight: for the past 40 years, VAGISIL has been dedicated to creating effective vaginal care solutions. We launched the Sensitive Scents line to provide clinically tested products that are specifically formulated with skin-friendly scents to women sensitive, intimate skin. That sounds pretty cool, and I like that it pH balances everything. I'm gonna have to try these out. Next we have from ORALGEN, it's a new Pearl 32 times Perfecting Teeth Whitening Pen. I've never done a teeth whitening pen. Let me know if you guys have tried them, if they work. Let me know that in the comments down below. Also, let me know in the comments down below how you guys all are doing. I'm so worried about you guys right now. Let me know in the comments down below. So this does retail for $19.95, and it's a whitening pen. It's great for busy people who want professional strength teeth whitening results in seconds. This highly effective peroxide-free formula and pen brush design allow for precise on-the-go application. Twist the pen until the gel is visible. Apply a thin layer gel on the teeth. Smile for 30 seconds and rinse after 10 to 20 minutes. Use daily to maintain your wider smile. For 1 hour after treatment, avoid eating, drinking, and tobacco use. Editor's feedback. Because it only takes 15 minutes once a day, I put this on before I take my son to school so I can rinse it off as soon as I get home. I love that I don't have to overthink it and there's no mouth trays to clean. 7 days later and voila, my teeth are so many shades wider. Key ingredient is a patent atonic cleaning formula. Lifts stains from tooth enamel with little to no sensitivity. Expert insight, New Pearl is a favorite beauty secret. It allows me to always feel confident on the red carpet or just taking a photo with the family. I have to give this one a try. Here's a product that I have tried and loved. This is the Dr. Denis Cross Skincare Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. And basically, it's a patented 2-step anti-aging AHA BHA peel pad pre-dosed with 7 acids to visibly reduce wrinkles, refine and unclog pores, even skin tone, and smooth texture. I do a masking review series where I try on different masks and peels and let you know what I think. I will put that playlist in the description box down below if you guys want to check it out. And how to use once a day. Apply step 1 onto clean, dry skin, using circular motions all over the face, neck, and décolletage until pad feels dry. Wait 2 minutes, then repeat with step 2. Do not rinse afterwards. Editor's feedback. The ultimate cult classic glow maker. No matter your skin type, what you like in a product, or what you typically use, this will work for you. The key ingredients are the secret is a powerhouse cocktail of 7 acids, including glycolic and salicylic acid, to reveal growing, healthy looking skin. The expert insight is our Alpha Beta Daily Peel is safe to use every day because we cocktail ingredients to ensure your skin is never thrown off balance. And the key is to have 2 steps, just like every professional peel. This gives you a smooth, clear complexion that leaves skin prepped for all other products, nourishes skin, and keeps it balanced. I really like the Dr. Denis Cross ones. I really recommend these, you guys. And because I already have a set of these, I think I'm going to be putting these in an upcoming giveaway. Like I said, I've started setting stuff aside for our 900th and our 1000th giveaway. So help us get there. Here is another product that I use and love. This is the Daily Concepts Multifunctional Soap Sponge Mother of Pearl. Basically, it's a sponge, like a bath sponge, but it has all the ingredients already soaked in it. So then I just put it in my little, wash it all over my body, and then put it in my little tray, and then it's good to go for the next day. So it's a multifunctional soap meets sponge infused with luxurious brightening ingredient, mother of pearl. This does retail for $5. How to use: wet skin soap sponge with warm water, cleanse skin in a circular motion to lather and exfoliate. It can be used on both the face and body. For care, squeeze excess water from sponge after use and store in a soap dish or dry area. Editor's feedback is the small but mighty exfoliating sponge has become my go-to tool for smoothing those annoying little bumps on the back of my arms. I have that too. And I do find out that, exfoliator like this really helps with that. Key ingredient is the mother of pearl, is an ingredient known for brightening and clarifying the skin. Expert insight: we engineered this product in the lab with one thing in mind, to create a perfect cleansing exfoliation tool that can be multifunctional and suitable for all skin types. It has been clinical and dermatologist tested, but never on animals because they are cruelty free. So like I said, I already have one of these sitting in my shower right now, so I'll be putting this one in one of the giveaways for you guys too. You guys, I'm excited. They put AVANT in here. You guys all know that I love their skincare. It is super expensive though. So this is 1.69 of a fluid ounce. 50 milliliters retails for $114. So it's the AVANT Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant. What it is, an antioxidant-rich exfoliant that helps contribute to a smoother, softer, and more hydrated complexion, all while prepping the skin for better ingredient penetration. You guys, I don't think I've tried their exfoliator, but I've tried like the hyaluronic acid and a bunch of the other stuff and love it. How to use: apply to clean skin and gently exfoliate in an upward circular motion. Pat dry. Editor's feedback: this exfoliator feels more like a spa ritual than a face scrub. It leaves my skin feeling so silky soft. I even use it on the back of my hands as well. Key ingredients: the star ingredients of rose helps smooth and heal skin, while vitamin B5 keeps it hydrated. Expert insight is redefining skincare to share an assortment that can be worn by both men and women. AVANT Skincare marks a tipping point in the beauty industry where skincare products are no longer bound to the gender, but rather the true nature of one's skin's concern. Highly agree with that. If I could get my boys, my husband, and my son to start doing more of the skincare, I'd be a happy camper. So love, love, love this. Guys, I don't know about this. So this is PIPERWAI Activated Charcoal Deodorant. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys use a natural deodorant. If it works, let me know that. So this does retail for $11.99. It's the first natural deodorant to use super absorbent activated charcoal to neutralize odor and absorb wetness gentle enough to be used on sensitive skin. How to use: a little goes a long way. You only need to apply a pea-size amount. Editor's feedback: after a couple of days of using this product, I realized I was using about half the amount I would normally use of a traditional deodorant. This stuff really works. Key ingredients are the all natural ingredients, certified vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, sulfate-free, and soy-free, create the pH balance. Expert insights: PIPERWAI is an innovator in the natural personal care space. Beyond our hero formula, PIPERWAI products all natural, better for you alternatives to your everyday body care essentials so you can confidently go about your day. Has me intrigued. I just hope it works. Let me know if you guys, like I said, have tried any natural ingredients and if they work for you. From Daily Dose is the Miracle Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. I need some leave-in conditioner right now. This retails for $17.99. It's a hard-working leave-in hair conditioner spray that instantly detangles, eliminates frizz, protects hair, and adds shine without any harsh chemicals. Spray the fine mist on clean towel-dried hair and comb through. Editor's feedback: How can a leave-in conditioner feel so weightless? Since I have fine hair, I mist the bottoms every day to give my ends a silky smooth look. Once a week, I will use it all over my hair as a moisturizing mask and brush it through my strands from top to bottom. That's a good idea to use it as a mask as well. I like that. It is key ingredients: a blend of proven conditioning ingredients that are vegan and cruelty-free. Expert insight: developed for all hair types. Daily Dose cruelty-free moisturizing formula is made without harsh ingredients or notable toxins and allergens. Our unparalleled product leaves hair soft, smooth, and manageable, all while repairing hair and eliminating frizz. You can see the results after just one use. I'm in need of that right now. Here's another product that I've used before and really, really liked. This is WHISH. This is the Renewing Mud Mask. It does retail for $48. Like I said, I do the mask and review series on there. And so this is an ultra luxurious anti-aging mask that gently exfoliates and purifies for radiant skin. How to use: apply a thin layer to the face. Begin by leaving on for 15 seconds and slowly work up to 2 minutes. Remove mask with water in a circular motion. Can be used 1 or 2 times per week. Editor's feedback. There's a time and place for a run-of-the-mill mud mask when breakout-prone skin also needs a dose of firming and radiance power. Reach for this Bacchiouli infused one instead. Bacchiouli is 100% natural substitution for retinol, organic rose hip oil, kaolin, and mica. Expert insight. I love this mask because it works so quickly with all the active ingredients. It only takes 1 to 2 minutes total to do its magic. I typically apply the mud mask in the shower and combine it with the steam. It gives my skin an instant glow. I haven't thought about doing mud masks in the shower. It's kind of a good idea. So because I've already done this, I do actually have my own that I'm still trying to go through. So I'll be putting this one in a upcoming giveaway for you guys as well. So I've got all sorts of stuff for you and for me. What did you guys think? I think it was a pretty good box. They've had better boxes in the past, but it was pretty good. What'd you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me. When you guys like and subscribe, hit that subscribe button twice. It'll turn on the notifications for you so you know when we do upload. I hope that you guys have a fabulous rest of your day. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd really appreciate that you guys watch them. Have a beautiful day, stay safe, and I will see you soon. Bye.